Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoya. If you're new here, I've cleared NEET 2024 with a score of 659 on 720 and I'm currently a first year MBBS student at GMC Nanded. As you must have read by the title, today's video is going to be a college shopping haul. Essential things that I got for my MBBS. So yes, let's get started. Let's get started with our very first purchase, which is this dissection box. I literally had to search far and wide in my city for this box. It was so difficult to get this. The shop was far away from my house. And yes, let's see what all is present in this box. So we've got two different types of scissors. Then we've got some blades inside this. Then some more instruments, and lastly we've got these HNE pencils. These are pencils which are required specifically for anatomy. One is purple colored and one is pink colored. I don't exactly know what is the difference between this and colored pencils, but yes, that is all which was present in this dissection box. Next up is a very exciting thing, something which each student who must be entering into MBBS was excited for, and which will give a feeling of being a doctor. Got this stethoscope. I'll show you what is in this. So I got this stetho. It is needed a lot in physiological practicals. Next up we've got these loose gloves ka packet. Our professor told us to get this because this is very much needed. So I've got a whole packet of this gloves. Next up I've got the most important things, which are books. This is B.D. Chaurasia's Human Anatomy book. I've got all the 4 volumes with me. These are actually second-hand books. I actually wanted to purchase them from my seniors, but unfortunately मुझे कोई मिल नहीं पा रहा था senior from whom I could get, क्योंकि mostly बच्चों ने पहले ही ले लिए थे उनसे. So I got this from a shop, but still I've got the second-hand books. I've also purchased a tablet. I'll show you guys in a bit. But since anatomy I've heard is a vast subject, I wanted कि मैं at least anatomy के लिए books खरीद लूँ. दूसरा I'll see with time कि अगर tablet से if I can do it then well and good, नहीं तो फिर उसके लिए भी I'll get the books. Next up I've got my Samsung tablet. If you guys haven't checked out the short where I did the unboxing of this tablet, do check it out. I'll mention the link below. This is a Samsung tablet in silver color, and this is how it looks. I've actually customized the wallpaper and all, so yeah, it looks a little bit different from what the default was. It is quite a big one and it is quite handy as well. It has got an 11-inch screen, which is very much helpful for reading and highlighting. I've also got a very normal stylus pen. I ordered this online. I got the tablet alag se and the stylus and the cover differently. I bought these online, whereas the tablet I went to the physical shop and then I got it. Next up I have got the white apron. I've purchased 2 actually, and I still feel I need one more because obviously it is very wide and it will not sustain for a longer period of time. But yes, initially I've got 2 क्योंकि at least 2 तो लगेंगे. आगे जाके I might purchase another one as well. Next up I've got this college bag for myself. The earlier one that I was using, it was back from my 10th standard, so obviously I couldn't take that and it had gotten really bad. So this is a new one that I purchased. It is in green color. It is a pastel green color. You can see it has got this pattern and it says Arctic Fox. It is quite spacious. It has got 3 big zippers and there is a small pouch over here. So yeah, I think it is pretty good and it shall last me for the next 5.5 years of my college life. Let's see. Next up I've got this box. There is a bottle in this box. So I've got a water bottle for myself. I did not had one earlier. Again, बहुत पुरानी हो गई थी and वो insulated वाली भी नहीं थी actually. So I've got this one. This is a very nice water bottle, you guys. It keeps the water hot and cold for a very longer period of time, and it is quite big, as you can see. I mean, it's very how should I say, it's very thick. The circumference is very large, if you can see. It's from a brand called Pexpo, and it is full black colored, kind of a sipper. I've got this offline actually. We had like this water bottle previously for one of my siblings, where we bought it from an offline store, but when I went there it was not there, the stock was over. So I found this luckily on Myntra, and then I ordered this online. It was for something around 950 rupees, I think, but tab sale chal rahi thi, so I got this for a lower price. I don't actually remember the price, but yes, it is from Myntra and it is quite good. We are coming towards the end of this haul video, and लास्ट के लिए हमारे पास थोड़ी सी स्टेशनरी है. आई गॉट सम नोटबुक्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. दीज आर 200 पेजेस रजिस्टर्स. 3 आई हैव गॉट फॉर नाउ. आगे देखते हैं, जैसे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी आई विल परचेज मोर. देन आई हैव गॉट 1 रफ बुक फॉर माई सेल्फ. Next up, I've got a pack of color pencils. It is needed a lot in drawings and all, so I've got this. Then I've also got 2 highlighters. These are pastel colored highlighters. One is orange, like a very light orange, and one is a yellow colored one. And I've got a small diary for myself. And yes, that was it for the haul. These are all the things that I purchased for my MBBS. एंड जो बाकी की चीज़ें हैं कॉलेज एसेंशियल्स, जैसे कि क्लोथ्स हो गए, शूज़ हो गए, ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ, उसके लिए आई विल बी पैकिंग, एंड देन आई विल शो यू गाइज व्हाट ऑल आई हैव पैक्ड. And let me know in the comments if you want a full vlog on that or you would want to see a short on that. So accordingly मैं अपना content plan कर लूँगी. And yes, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching.